Here's a sprawling 5-bedroom Jones Valley jewel that's nestled on a beautifully landscaped 1-acre private lot at the end of a cul-de-sac. Large rooms, extensive decking, and attached apartment provide enough space for everyone to feel like this home is their private oasis. A grand staircase greets you on entry, where hardwood floors run wild and free. Beautiful built-ins greet you in the formal living room, and the dining room is accented with a gorgeous light fixture and close proximity to the extra storage, sink, wine cooler, and ice maker in the butler's pantry. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with a huge island that's home to a 6-burner gas range and eating space for a quick breakfast or snack. Granite countertops and tons of cabinetry provide great work areas and storage space for your heirlooms, and the hearth room and fireplace make this area one of the most family-friendly rooms we've seen in some time. On the other side of the kitchen, you'll find the family room, where a fireplace sets the stage for cozy winter days, and the owner's retreat presents enough space for a sitting area. The owner's bath provides tons of storage space, this beautiful dual vanity, huge separate shower, and old-fashioned tub. Extra bedrooms are found upstairs, and they're all oversized and offer unique charm and personality. One bedroom is perfect for teens or in-laws, with its ensuite bath that opens to yet another sitting area. The privacy continues with another self-contained area with vaulted ceilings, a brick fireplace, kitchenette, bath, and spiral staircase. And if more space is still on your list, the apartment with a private entrance can be found over the 3-bay garage. When you have an acre of land in the city limits, it's always good to plan a swimming pool with tons of decks and patio areas. The beauty and privacy of this area is second to none and seems to work perfectly whether you're alone with a good book or engulfed in a neighborhood pool party that becomes legendary. With so much to enjoy in such a private space, be sure to call now for more information and to schedule your private tour.